What is education? Education means to narrow down your possibility to become a fully fledged life. Narrow down your endless possibility to explore the life that you are. What is education? To feed you old ideas and get you to follow what your grandfather, your great grandfather, your great great grandfather was doing and did do and could not do. So, trying to put it through you to experience what they could not experience in their life. What is education? Just to build up enough memory and enough capacity in you by reducing the possibility for yourself to be able to explore different dimensions of life. What is education? How to use others for the benefit of you and in turn to serve the, the hierarchy, the royalty, the government, the institutions, the religion, the money. What is education? To remove you from knowing anything else other than what you have learned. What is education? Put enough memory and information so that the economic monster, the political monster, the religious monster could keep on eating into you during your most vibrant and energetic life. What is so sad is that none of the human beings are able to think for themselves without the memory they accumulated through education that they have received. For a period of 20 years, if you were just about educated to the high school, and 25 years if you're just about lucky enough to be educated, to be extracted from you the knowledge. Is it knowledge? Just about how we can utilize you for the benefit of the very few. What is education? So that you are being ushered or you are being put into a flock. Education means that you become compulsive, you become reflective according to the rest who've been educated in the same way. This is the education that you and I and everyone has received. How can you not depend on the education? Well, there are so many ways that you can use your noddle. The nature has given us a tool to use it to the highest, yet the tool has been sharpened by what we call intellect. A sharp tool can only cut you into pieces and confuse you and confuse the life out of you. With this same tool, the sharp intellect, if you try to fix, if you try to stitch the pieces, you end up with tatters, more pieces. more confusion. So it is not the education and your intellect that you need to sharpen. It is the inward step you need to take to know what is to be a human. There are nothing super, nothing spectacular about being a human. What is so spectacular and what is so super is that to be a human is super enough. Try and step in the direction of life instead of your intellect and your education. By paying attention to life, you will see dimensionless, limitless possibility as a human being. There is no truth, there is no lies. There is what you experience and what you did not experience because of your limited identity, that you did not take the inward step to know the life you are.